Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with a short tech review video on my cell phone, my OnePlus Pro. This phone is amazing. I love this phone. That is Nubia blue, so if you guys want to know. Now this is the Pro, and they don't have the Pro, so it's like normal phone than the Pro, but the Pro is actually 256 gigs. So a lot bigger than the, I think it's 60 is the other one. So this phone's a little bit bigger. It does have warp charging and it's super fast, 90 hertz refresh rate, so it's like super smooth and everything. Looks great on this phone. So now this is a 855 Snapdragon, so if you guys want to know what the processor is, 12 gigs of memory. So this phone is loaded. It is super big. It feels like it's heavy. It does have a 6.96 display, I believe. So it's pretty good sized phone. As you guys can tell, like in my hand, like it is kind of sometimes hard to get your finger on the other side. So it's like, and it's got a good weight to it. It's got actually a good weight to it. So I just want to do a little short review on this. The camera shoots great. It works great. It's fast. If you guys want a fast phone, I recommend this phone. Now there's a couple of things I didn't like about the phone, and that was one of them was a wireless charger. Now I think they got rid of that is because you don't get a fast charge through wireless. It is a little bit slower, but you do have the warp charge, and that charges within 30 minutes of the phone. It depends on what the percentage of your phone is. Like, so I did see a video, if it's at 1%, it charges at 32 minutes and 100%. That is super fast. The battery lasts really good, really long. So now this phone does have dark theme, so you could switch it to dark theme. I really like that you could switch it and stuff. Dark theme like YouTube, Twitter, and even my PC, and now cell phones. Instagram, you got to get with it because you need to get dark theme. So what do I think about the end of the day? How long is this about lasting up? The battery actually lasts super long. 4,000 milliamp battery. The battery does not come out, not removable. So now this is 4G compatible. It's not 5G because I know now the Samsung has a 5G. So, but the screen resolution on this thing looks amazing. You could also enhance the video. There's an option in there where you could actually enhance it and make it even better. So if you want to upgrade it to 4K or 1080p 60 FPS, there you go. 60 FPS. So anyways, I just want to do this little short review. I want to get this video out tonight so you guys can watch it. I'm really enjoying this 4K. Honestly, I could just put the camera up and just film and I'm ready to go. So alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. I appreciate it. If you guys want to check out my unboxing or on my tech videos, I'll put it down below in the description. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll check you guys later.